midweek mark, and you'll see some breezes this morning. Gusts could get close to about 30 miles an hour. Good news for us, by the lunchtime mark, things should start to calm down, and then we'll see more rebound in winds as we get into our evening. Now, looking at this view from our windows and more tower cam, the sunshine is coming back to us today. That'll help to heat us up, could possibly take us to some near record-breaking temperatures. Not yet exactly, though. We're seeing some 50s and 40s on the board. Drier conditions as well in our Freeman Health First Alert Doppler. Around 52 in Joplin, some low 50s to our south, upper 50s as well, near 60s for some of us. But these winds are what we'll be looking at going into the next couple of days. Today, this morning, will start off a bit more breezy. We'll calm down this afternoon. And then tonight, winds are going to increase as a cold front is expected to move through during the overnight hours. As that moves in, it'll drag in some stronger winds for us. Tomorrow, we'll see some more windy conditions, and those are expected to be relatively consistent throughout the day. Now, this cold front that moved through last night, shifting off to the east, taking some of that low pressure with it. Now we are nice and dry for today. But look at all these watches and warnings. Most of these are some fire weather watches or warnings that are off to our west. Good news for us, though, we are not seeing any of those as of right now across the 4 states. But if things continue to get drier and we see those conditions emphasized, we might see our first red flag warning throughout the region tomorrow. Another cold front setting its way up to make its way through the 4 states. As it does, it'll carry in some of that pressure gradient, and that will tighten a bit. That'll deliver some stronger winds tomorrow than that system will carry out. Winds should start to die down as we get into Friday, but temperatures will be dropping as well. And ahead of this system that is coming in, we'll see some cloud cover start to drag in, as we are going to see this system that could possibly bring us a little bit of a wintry mix progressing into Friday night and Saturday as well. And you can see that right here. Our temperatures are going to be dropping off this weekend, and then also overnight lows are expected to be back below freezing once again. So taking a look at the next several days, today we could possibly break some records, and then by our weekend might see a couple flurries and snow chances as well. So it's just the 4 states for you, a little bit all over the place, but I'm not necessarily complaining. Our temperatures are tracking towards warmer ones over the next 6 to 10 days as a whole, and more rain might be coming through, which is much needed. We're still seeing drought across the entire region throughout the 4 states, and some areas seeing extreme levels of drought, but others severe levels of drought. Wow, just looking at this, it is wild for us. We were seeing some progress at times in the last couple of months with the rain, but now we've just been very dry, and we're now talking about elevated fire weather conditions. So avoid burning stuff outside. Highs for today around 73 in Joplin, 76 in Grove, also 74 in Springfield. But as we start to get into this evening, those lows are going to be mild in the 40s and 50s for us. Now let's look at your KSN forecast from your local weather authority. High today